Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent a short, then gather a 10 mm socket, ratchet, and a flat pry. Once done, open the hood and locate the headlight housing. On most Ram 1500 models, you'll see 2 to 4 visible retaining bolts. Now remove the nearest bolt first so the housing loosens and will tilt forward. You'll feel why this helps when you access the bulb connector. It gives clearance without removing the bumper. With the housing loose, support it with one hand and fully remove the remaining bolts so you can tilt the assembly forward. Next, press the harness tab and pull the connector straight out. Don't wiggle violently because clips can break. If you're replacing a bulb, twist and remove the socket, then install new bulb without touching the glass. Oils shorten life. For a full assembly swap, transfer mounting clips if needed, align tabs, and make sure the housing sits flush before rebolting to prevent leaks. Reinstall the housing by hand-starting bolts so alignment stays correct, then tighten evenly. Snug is enough. Avoid over-torquing plastic. Once bolted, reconnect the negative battery terminal and test low beams, high beams, and turn signals to confirm operation. If a light doesn't work, make sure the connector pins are straight and fully seated, and check the related fuse in the fuse box. A blown fuse is common. If you still have issues, inspect the bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.